How we doing? Coach Greg here with Spell Training, and today we have a seated core workout. That's right, you could probably do this in bed, on your couch, on a chair, or on a bench like this. It's gonna be great. We're gonna be working out our core, working out our abs, toning and tightening everything. It's gonna be great, so let's get started. So we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set's gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating these ab exercises as you follow along, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through, less talking on my part, and more doing on yours. So without further ado, let's get started with set number 1. We are gonna start right off the bat with some kick crunches. We're gonna 30 seconds on, sit nice and tall, and here we go. So focus on one leg at a time, really kicking that leg up and reaching with your hand. It's almost as if you're trying to reach past. Really helps you crunch your leg over. So try not to be too far back or too far forward. Really focusing on when the leg comes up. Really crunch. Feel it. Tighten your core the whole time. Legs don't have to be exactly straight. The goal is just to get that knee up. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. The flailing around is not done yet. Set number 2, we have some, or exercise number 2, sorry, we have some side crunches. So sit upright, here we go. Hands behind your head, 30 seconds, and let's go to each side. Just really crunch over. Gonna work out those obliques now. Try to always get yourself back to reset at the top. Really crunch over. It's not about speed, it's about intention. To really feel the muscles along your rib cage is expanding and tightening and stretching. Trying to work them out. Couple more seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1 more. Great job. Next, we have some seated jumping jacks. This is gonna be a little fun, a little tricky, but it's also a great variation from a normal jumping jack. So I like to sit a little closer to the edge of my bench or chair, wherever you're at. And we are just gonna be alternating, getting our hands over our head like a normal jumping jack, but feet in to feet out. So it should look something like this. So 30 seconds on, and here we go. Now you would think something like this wouldn't work out your abs, but just the constant lifting up your feet, especially if you're tightening and staying upright, you're gonna feel it after a couple seconds, trust me. So just like that, really lift those knees up. Make sure you're breathing. The goal is just to like touch the ground with your toes and go right back. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, I feel that. That was good. Last but not least, we have the seated bicycle. Come on, this is a staple. This is fun. We are just going to alternate, touching knees to elbows. So here we go, 30 seconds, and let's begin. Now you don't actually have to touch them, but the goal is just to keep in mind driving that knee up and crunching down with your elbow. Really trying to go to alternate sides, just like that. Remember, we're trying to work out our core, get rid of our belly. These are the type of exercises that should help with that. Couple more seconds, here we go. Drive that knee up. Got 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That was set number 1. Let's get started with set number 2. First, let's grab some water, because your boy needs some. Let's get started with set number 2. All right. Kick crunches in 3, 2, and 1. Side crunches in 3, 2, 1. Seated jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Seated bicycles in 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That was set number 2. Done. One more set to go. I'm gonna grab some more water because I need it, and maybe you do too. All right, here we go. One more set. Come on, we got this. Let's start set number 3. Kick crunches in 3, 2, and 1. Side crunches in 3, 2, 1. Seated jumping jacks in 3, 2, 1. Seated bicycles in 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. That was your seated core workout. I am tired. My abs are on fire. I hope yours are too. And if you like these type of videos, go ahead and just do us a favor and click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. It just helps us, continue to do what we do, keep putting out these videos for you guys. And please, we'd love to hear from you. Comment below, let us know what you like, what you don't like, what we need to fix, what you love, whatever you want. We will answer you back. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm Coach Greg. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.